Good morning. I apologize if I am disturbing your time. How are you today? I hope you are doing well.
Good morning. Thank you for contacting Samsung support. My name is Andika Rahman. I am doing very well. Thank you for asking. I hope you are doing well too. The weather is good. Nice today is in it.
Ah, yes, the weather is very nice today. Well, I actually wanted to discuss something about the Galaxy S45 I bought about 6 months ago. Well, how should I say this? There are a few things that make me a bit worried.
Oh, understand. Of course, we try help to help you. I my eyes. Have you been using Samsung product for a long time?
Yes, I've actually been using Samsung product for quite a while. If I'm not mistaken, since the Galaxy S30 series, and honestly, I've been very satisfied with the quality until now. But this one is a bit different. I've been using very careful with it, using a protective case and a screen protector from day one. But there seems to be a few issues that have appeared too quickly for a premium phone.
Wow, thank you for being such a loyal Samsung user. We really appreciate you. Trust called you team me with Asus. You re-expression called you explain in more detail.
Well, how shall I put this? The phone battery has been drastically in decrease, and now it's only at 65% of its original capacity. Also, the charging port has become loose, and the screen sometimes flickers, even though I've never been dropped. Well, I understand technology can have issues, but this seems to be early for a premium phone.
I completely understand you concern. I really appreciate how clearly you explain the problem. If if I may call to you, please provide the phone serial number. Let me check its wear status.
The serial number is GS45 2024 789 321.
After checking, your phone is still under warranty, and this I should definitely need to be addressed. How about I help you schedule a repair at the nearest authorized Samsung service center? It is free since it is still under warranty.
Really? Oh, what a relief to hear. It's still under warranty. Thank you so much for helping make this process so smooth.
You're welcome. I shall thank you for being so patient and detailed in explaining the station. Now let's I find a service center and think that is most convenient for you. If I my ask which area do you live in?
Oh, I live in Cawang area, East Jakarta. Where is the nearest service center?
I-40 Cawang area, the Epenis to be ein authorized Samsung Service Center at Pusat Grosir Cililitan. Uh, for the for floor how about that location? It's actually accessible by public transportation too.
Oh, yes, that's very close to my house. Regarding the schedule, will next week be possible? I still have several important meetings this week that I cannot miss.
Of course, that possible. Let me check the available slot. Tier airplane next standard Ender 10 AM or 2 PM West will be more convenient for you.
2 p.m. will be better. I still have meetings in the morning. Oh, yes, approximately how long will the process take?
The internet check usually takes about 1 hour, but if repair at needed, it might take 2 sampai 2 sampai 4 working day. Will inform you with more detail after the initial action is complete.
Oh, I see. Alright then, is there anything specific I need to prepare before bringing the phone?
Yes, there are I things to prepare. Please backup your data. Bring your ID card. ID purchase receipt if you still have in also make sure to send out of all account.
Okay, I'll prepare everything. Thank you so much for your help today. You have been very helpful.
You are welcome. I'm glad I could help you. I received an email confirming the schedule and I reminder SMS the day before the service appointment. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I think that's all. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Part 2 Geron. Presentation assignment Part 2 individually. Little understanding Gerun. What is Gerun and how do we from it? Importance of Gerun in English language. What is Igerun? Igerun is when you add the to I verb and it was the function as I known is I parse to from Igerun. It is the process of adding in the verbs and following I verb rules to sort the correct meaning of the sentigerun's scales. Also be to say as the subject complement or the subject or you sentence. Example. What are the different cases where we can host the ground? I ground is when you add thinking to I verb I. It will still function as I non in I pairs. To from I ground it is the rest of adding into verbs and following I verb rules. To assert the correct meaning of this sentence ground can also be used as the subject complement or the object of your sentence. For example, you are reading my book. The present participle you enjoy reading my book. It all depends on the structure of the sentence and how I verb situation when you shall be using gerund in I phrase. After some frame the verb that shall be following with gerund admin enjoy apresiasi then mean understand. Avoid finish consider can I live and imagine. Example. I can't help falling in love. Say avoid confronting me. After I preposition, here is I smell list of the preposition when to set I gerund consider on doing, approve of doing, admin to doing, instead on doing, fail like doing. After from into stopping or preventing from doing, I stopped me from coming, prevent you from smoking. Looking forward to doing, I look forward to hearing from you. Object from doing, let's I object to listening to her decision. The importance of gerund in English. Number number one, is I known. Gerund facial as known in sentence. Explain swimming is fun. Number two, expressing accent. The hello accent to be treated as ideas explain. Learning English is important. 3. Asset after certain verb. Some verb must be followed by gerund. Explain. See enjoy ready. Thank you.
Alright, part 2 individually. Present perfect tense. When to use perfect present tense, we use the perfect present tense to talk about experience. It is important if we have done it on our life or not. It is not important when we did it. Examples. I have been abroad 2 times. Anna has been broke a leg. Have you ever eaten a sushi? Tip. We often use never and ever present perfect tense to experience. Number 2. We use the perfect tense to talk about action which started in the past and continues up to now. Examples. I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. We have seen a land since Friday. How long have you been at this school? Tip. We often use since and for to say how long the action has lasted. Number 3. We also use the perfect tense to talk about past action that has the result in the present. Examples: I have lost my wallet, and I don't have it now. Jimmy has gone to South America. He isn't here now. Have you finished your homework? And is your homework ready? Tip: we often use just, already, and yet with the present perfect tense for an action in the past with the result in the present. How to form perfect tense. How we make the perfect tense with the correct form of the auxiliary verb have or has, and the third form, past participle, of the male verb. To form the past participle of the singular verb, we add the infinitive examples. I have worked as a secretary for 2 years. Have you ever visited Disneyland? The film has been started yet. Tip: you may want to visit the English irregular verbs page to learn from the past simple second form, practical third form, or English verbs. Perfect tense positive sentence. I have been to Moscow. You have finished the exercise. He has just gone home. She has already had a holiday this year. It has broken. We have seen this film before. They bought a film. Perfect tense negative sentences. I have not been aboard yet. You have not answered my question. He has not been home for 5 years. She has not found a new job. It has not finished yet. We have not worked yet. They have not seen ages. Perfect sentences yes or no questions. Have I ever done it before? Have you been to the cinema recently? Has he walked here long? Has she already seen the facts? Has it ever been a crash? Have we done it right? Have they gone home? Perfect information questions. What have I done? How long have you been there? How many times has he been married? What country has he visited? Where has it been? How long have we been together? Where have they worked? Already and yet. Already means that something happened earlier than we expected. With present perfect already, usually goes after have or has before the main verb. Examples: we have already had our breakfast. When are you going to do your homework? But I've already done it. Do you want a cup of coffee? No thanks, I've already had one. Yet. Yet means that something that we expected has happened or has happened. We usually put it in the end of sentence. Examples: has the post arrived yet? Have you done your homework? Not yet. Haven't you ready to go to school this time? For and since, we use perfect tense to talk about action which started in the past and continue up to present. We use for with a period of time. For example, a few days, half an hour, 2 years. We use since with the time when the action started. For examples, last year, June 8, I met you. Examples: I have had this computer for about a year. How long have you been at this school? I have known Julia since September.